This guide will take you through the process of configuring the Azure Public Cloud in Workspot Control. Initially, start by registering the Workspot application. In your Azure portal, navigate to App Registrations and initiate a new registration. Provide a name for the app registration, select Web as the platform, and input https://control.workspot.com for the URL before clicking on Register. Once the app is created, access it and go to Certificates and Secrets. Generate a new client secret specifying the description and expiration date, and then click Add. Ensure to copy the client secret value immediately, as it cannot be retrieved later. This value is crucial for setting up the public cloud in Workspot Control. Proceed to the Azure Subscriptions Access Control IAM and select Add Role Assignment. Choose Contributor under Privileged Administrator Roles and click Next. Choose Select Members, enter the name of the previously created Workspot app and select it. Click Next and then Review and Assign. Now log in to Workspot Control with your account, navigate to the top of the page, click Setup, and then select Add Public Cloud. Choose Microsoft Azure Commercial as the configuration type and complete all required fields using information from Azure. Specifically, note that the application key field corresponds to the client secret value copied earlier. Once all information is entered, click Save.